Among the sacred objects of ancient Egypt, few combined music, religion, and symbolism so beautifully as the sistrum. Far more than a musical instrument, the sistrum was believed to awaken the gods, repel evil, and restore harmony to the universe. Its distinctive metallic rattle echoed through Egyptian temples for thousands of years, making it one of the most recognizable symbols of ancient Egyptian worship. But where did the sistrum come from, and why was it so important? The origin of the sistrum. The sistrum first appeared during the Old Kingdom, over 4,500 years ago, and remained an important part of Egyptian religious life throughout pharaonic history. The English word sistrum comes from the Greek sestron, meaning that which is shaken. The ancient Egyptians, however, called the instrument sesheshet. Its name is thought to imitate the sound it made when shaken, reflecting its close connection with sacred music. Most sistrums had a handle, supporting a loop-shaped or shrine-shaped frame crossed by metal rods with loose discs. When shaken, these discs produced a bright, rhythmic sound that accompanied temple ceremonies. Religious significance. The sistrum was especially associated with Hathor, the goddess of music, joy, love, beauty, motherhood, and celebration. It also played an important role in the worship of Isis and Bastet. Priests and priestesses shook the sistrum during rituals, festivals, and processions as hymns and offerings were presented to the gods. The instrument's sound was believed to please the deities, calm destructive forces, and restore Ma'at, the divine order that sustained the universe. Many surviving sistrums are decorated with the face of Hathor, emphasizing the instrument's sacred connection to the goddess. Symbolism. The sistrum symbolized much more than music. Its rhythmic sound represented joy overcoming sorrow, order triumphing over chaos, and the presence of the divine within the temple. Egyptologist Richard H. Wilkinson explains that many Egyptian ritual objects possessed symbolic power beyond their practical function. The sistrum perfectly illustrates this belief, as its sound itself was considered a sacred force capable of protecting worshippers and sanctifying religious ceremonies. Legacy. The sistrum remained a sacred instrument for more than 3,000 years and is still one of the best-known symbols of ancient Egyptian religion. Today, beautifully crafted examples are displayed in museums around the world, reminding us of the central role that music played in Egyptian spirituality. For the ancient Egyptians, music was more than entertainment. It was a bridge between humanity and the gods. The sistrum was far more than an ancient musical instrument. It was a symbol of divine joy, protection, and cosmic harmony. With every sacred rattle, it honored the gods and reaffirmed the eternal balance that the Egyptians believed sustained all creation. Though its sound faded with the temples of ancient Egypt, the symbolism of the sistrum continues to resonate across the centuries.